we go. Get those arms moving, get those legs moving. Optional as well. Okay, deep breaths in and out, get that oxygen in, get the body nice and warm. Good, keep going, nearly there. Okay, 10 more seconds of this. Good, and then we're going to do heel kicks, okay? So bring it up to your bum, bring it up as high as you can, don't need to there, that's fine. Just bring it up, heel kicks. Good, get those legs nice and warm. Good, keep that going. Keep breathing. Good, knee there, and we're going to do high knees. Ready, and then high knees. So really squeeze them out, get them nice and warm. Remember, if you get to that, that's fine. As high as you can go, squeeze them. So keep that going. Well done, keep going. Then we're going to go into chest openings, okay? So arms, palms together, arms out, open that chest, swing those arms out. Good. Remember, get that oxygen in. Good. There we go, a couple more seconds on this one. And then palms up, open. Good, keep that going. And then we're going to go up and back down, so up, stretch, down, up. Good, keep that going. Stretch, stretch. After this one, we're going into waist twists. And twist to the waist. Good. Warm that waist up. Well done, keep that going. Get your body nice and warm. Nearly there. Okay, ready? You're going to go into windmill. So, if you're up here and twisting, that's absolutely fine. Just see if you can get as far down as possible. Get that torso nice and warm. Good, keep that going. Well done, keep going. Get nice and warm. Good, nearly there. Good. And then what I'm going to do is just stretch to the side. Good. Hold that. And then at the side. Good. And then palms into the base of your back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Good. Hold that. And then back to march. Good, shake it up. March. Okay, ready? Grab a drink, and then I'll explain our first exercise. Okay. Okay, so all the equipment you need is a good old stretch band. Okay? So we're going to do 45 seconds of an exercise for 15 seconds rest. Like I said earlier, if you need more rest, pause the video, take as much rest, take as much liquid on as you need, okay? So our first one is going to be a shoulder press, okay? So what we're going to do is your stretch arms going to be behind, press up and down. Okay, so I will explain all the exercises as we go. 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. First round, get ready. Got 10 seconds. on. What you're going to do, curl up, back down, make sure elbows are in. You've got 5 seconds, get ready, and go. Nice and easy. It's not easy, but nice and easy. Keep that going. Squeeze them out, nice strong biceps. Deep breath, strong core, remember that back, make sure your back is nice and straight. Don't start bending, don't lose your body position. Keep going. 10 seconds left. 5. And relax, well done. Next one is squats. So all we're going to do, you're going to hold your band out, nice normal squats. Okay, remember, keep drinking. You've got 5 seconds, get ready. And off we go. Nice squat. Keep a nice body position. Keep looking forward, keep breathing. Strong core, side through. Well done, everyone, keep pushing. Well done, everyone, keep it going. Go as low as you can with these squats. Doesn't matter as long as you're squatting. You've got 10 seconds left. Well done, 5 seconds. And relax. Good. Tricep extension. So you're going to have the band behind you now. And going up and down. We'll do round, this round, the next round, we're going to do the other round. Okay, so left side. 5 seconds. Get ready. And go. The other arm stays nice and strong in the base of your back, holding that stretch band. Okay? Up and down. Good. Keep going. Keep breathing. Nice strong core. Well done, everyone. Good. Got 5 seconds. And relax. Well done. Next one is chest press. So make sure your band is underneath your shoulders. Nice grip, and you're going to push forward and back. Got 5 seconds. Get ready. And go. Well done, everyone. That's it. Push out. Remember, nice strong core. Hands over the top of the stretch band. You're doing a nice chest press motion. Well done. Keep going. Push them out. Got 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. And relax. Good. Next one's going to be a crab walk. Okay, so then you're going to hold it out like we did the squats. Stand from one side, 2 steps over, 2 steps back. Get ready. Off we go. Step, step, up. Well done. Keep it moving. Good. Well done. Keep breathing. Keep that core strong, even though you're moving. Well done, nearly there. If the band comes too much, just bring it in. Want it harder? Put it above your head. Got 10 seconds left. Nearly there. And relax. Better than row now. So I used to put Keep breathing. Nice strong core. All the way down, pull back. Down, pull back. Well done. 10 seconds left. Nearly left. 5 seconds. And relax. Good. Right. Reverse flat. So we're going to do one arm and then the other arm on the next round. Okay? So we're going to stand on one side. So obviously the less band you've got, the harder it'll be. Get ready. Off we go. Hand on the hip, the other side. Up and down. Good. Well done, everyone. Deep breaths in and out. Keep this one going. Good. Well done. Nearly there. Strong core. Breathe in. Five seconds left. And relax. Good. Calf raises next. Same thing again as the squats. Just going to hold it out and you're just going to go up and down. If you need to hold the wall, please do so, okay? Ready? Off we go. Up and down. Really squeeze them out. Squeeze. Deep breaths. Strong core. Get those calves working. Good. Lean back. Good. Keep that going. Deep breath. Remember, bring it in if it becomes too hard on the arm. 10 seconds left. Or you can hold it above if you want to. Up to you. 5 seconds. And relax. Good. Last exercise now is deadlift. So I want you to stand on both legs. The further down you go on the band, the more resistance you'll get. Okay? Get yourself ready. And up we go. So down, squeeze up. Down, squeeze up. Sit. Down, squeeze. Deep breaths. Squeeze those abs and those hips and glutes as you come up. Well done, keep it going. Nearly there. Good. Got 5 seconds. And relax. Well done, everyone. Grab a drink. And then we've got one more round. Okay, so a little bit more rest now. You've done a set, so a bit more rest and then we'll do another one. Okay, so remember we're starting with the shoulder press. And remember on those exercises when we did one arm, make sure you use the other arm this time. Okay? So I think I mixed it up and I went left arm on the triceps and then did right arm on the fly, so I'm going to make sure to count. 10 seconds. Ready? Shoulder press. And let's go. Good. Squeeze them out. Well done, everyone. Just keep going. Breathe. Strong go. Keep it nice and strong. Everything else stays still. Just your arms moving. Make sure you're not doing that with your arms. Tuck them in. No chicken wings today. So keep it going. Keep it going, let's go. Got 10 seconds left. This one. 5. And relax, well done. Squats next, remember, hold it out, hold it in, hold it up, everyone. Get ready, 5 seconds. And go. Squat. Nice and deep. You're really good here, that's fine, as long as you get a good squat in. Doesn't matter how far down you go. But keep the core nice and strong, the back nice and strong. Try not to slouch. Nearly there, keep going. 10 seconds left. Keep breathing. 5. And relax. Well done. Tricep extension now, so make sure you use your right arm this time. So behind. So this one stays put, this one's one working. Off we go. Keep that going, nice and strong. Deep breaths in and out. Nearly there, keep going. Nice transition, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. And relax. Chest press now, so make sure it's underneath. Shoulder blades and hands go over the top. Get ready, 5 seconds. And off we go. Stretch out. Good, side view. Remember, underneath shoulder blades. Nice strong core. Well done. Keep going. Push them out. 10 seconds left. Last push, come on. Squeeze, 5 seconds. And relax. Well done. You've got reverse fly now, so other arm, so we're doing a left one. Do my right one. Okay, ready? Off we go. Out, back down. Hands on your hip for a good, strong position. Good. Keep breathing. Strong core. It hurts, but it's good, babe. Good. Squeeze it. Well done. 10 seconds, nearly there. 5 seconds. And relax. Last 2 exercises, half raises. So hold it out, half raises up and down. Ready? Got 5 seconds, get ready. And off we go. Up, down. Squeeze. Remember, strong core still. Up, down, deep breaths. Keep it going. Technique that keep pushing. Got 10 seconds, squeeze them out. Squeeze. 5 seconds. And last one, deadlift. So both feet on. Lower down you go, more resistance, remember. 5 seconds, get ready. And off we go. Down, up, squeeze. Good. Keep going, it's the last one. Maximum effort, push out. try this one. Do that. Otherwise, pull it as high as you can. Stretch that quad. Good. Back to the side. Hold. And then I want you to reach down the middle. Go as far down as you can, as long as you feel the stretch. Hold that. And then one hand to the push, head down. And then last one, just stretch it over. Hold that. And the other side. And done. Make sure you drink plenty of water, get hydrated. Thank you to y'all.